So what we can see right here is price actually made a lower low and it broke structure to the downside, and then price came back up and failed to create a new structure right here. It then proceeded to accumulate around here for Asia session and gained a little bit of volume and broke back up to the upside for London. All in all, I would say there's not much volume in this market right here. We're kind of just ranging, so on a higher time frame, I don't think it's a great bias to really be trading.
Go get the money, 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 I got it. Push it.
Trading Hub. I'll be doing some quick review on how to enter a trade, how to spot the chart patterns for we are using pure price action, and how to know if the market is going to go buy or sell. That's the same thing. Good. So you'll be using this book to do everything we are doing. The chart pattern, we have continuation, descending for the first one. We have descending triangle, ascending triangle, head and shoulders, inverted HS, bearish flag, bullish flag, and we have double top, and we have double bottom, and we have triple top, triple bottom, and we have symmetrical triangle, and we have the bullish wedge. But we are going to talk more about the bullish wedge, this one, and the triple bottom, triple top, and the double bottom, and the double top. Good. So let's move on to the chart. So firstly, we will talk about the double firstly we talk about the bullish flag. So we will just look at the market. This is BTC USD. Let's just look at the market. How can we find this bullish flag pattern? As a trader, you need to make your eye, open your eyes. You see, from this chart we are seeing here, as a trader, you can easily identify the bullish flag. From here. So you will draw a trend line. The trend line reveals that strategy out. So here's the trend line. Good. So that's it. So it looks similar as this one. So what we are going to do is I almost forgot about this. The law of price action. Anytime a chart breaks a trend line, this one, any trend line, it has to retest that trend line before it goes to the next direction it has to go. So when you broke the trend line, let me use a pointer to make things simple and faster. When you broke this trend line, it made a retest to the trend line and then moved to the upward direction. This is why it's called a bullish flag. It breaks the trend line, it closes and moves to the upward direction. That's how it works. So you as a trader, what you need to do is, as soon as you break, you need to open your buys from here where it retested. You open your buys and you set your stop loss just below the entry area. The stop loss is around, let's say, I think 15. Sorry, the stop loss is let me use a pointer for things to be clear and simple. The stop loss is around, so this is where we took the buy, stop loss just below. Good. So the stop loss is 17.88. You can easily see it. It's not something difficult. 17.88 USD. So that's the amount you are willing to risk. Then your take profit. Let's say you are targeting this point. Your take profit is 65. Your take profit is 65.62 USD. Good. So if the market moves in an upward direction towards your direction, you do something we call break even. You bring it towards your entry area, because even if the market reverses, it will still close you in profit. So as the market is going, you'll be shifting it towards upwards. That means you are securing your profit. So as soon as it's going, you'll be shifting it so what it crosses your TP or hit your TP. So this is how to catch one trend in the market. Yes, so let's go to the next one, the W or double bottom. This one, double bottom. Double bottom. Here's it, double bottom. It's in the form of a W. So what you need to do is just draw a trend line, this a line, yes, to catch it. Like you see the direction, it's as if it's going upwards. Yes, to catch the direction, it's more like it's sitting on it here. So what as a trader you need to do is to spot this strategy and make fast, but don't just enter when you see it. Don't just enter when you see this. Wait for the market to make a rejection from, let's say at this point you saw it at this point, wait for it to make a rejection. So maybe you waited and it made a rejection and you saw it creating blue candlesticks. For me, my blue candlestick is buy and my black candlestick is sell. As a beginner trader, your sell candlestick will be red and your buy candlestick will be green, but I change the color. That's my own. So it created blue or buy candlesticks. Then from that point I'll begin to enter my buys. From that point, my stop loss just below this place. So my stop loss is around 12.18 USD and my take profit is, let's say, around this point, 27 USD. So I'll just leave the market. As soon as the market goes in my direction, I'll shift my stop loss towards my entry area. Yes, so the market will be still moving. Let's say get to this point, I'll still move it towards here. I'll wait for it to go higher and I'll move in it so it gets to my TP or hit my TP. That's it. But note that this is in the form of W. That's the double bottom, and we come to the triple top. We quickly identify one from here. We draw our trend line. Good. We draw a trend line. Good. Yes. So market begins to 1, 2, 3 triple top. This one, triple top. I won't confuse you. I'll make it simple. Triple top. Yes. So market will begin to consolidate within your your trend line you drew. It will consolidate, then break it down. As soon as you break it down, it retests the area it broke or the trend line. Your shadow is your trend line. And the strategy I was talking about, the chart pattern formation or the candlestick formation, it forms a small blue candle, like, yes, tiny one. Then it shows a reversal to the downside. Good. And yes, it shows a reversal to the side. Anytime you see this kind of candlestick, it gives a confirmation that it's coming to fall. Yeah, it's coming to drop. Yes. So, or it's coming to drop or by half of them. Yeah, as I told you in my other video. Yeah. So you just quickly take your cells. Sorry, you take your cell. You take your cell limit. Okay, let me do it like this. You take your sell limit from this point, or your sell from this point. As soon as you see this kind of candlestick, you take your sell from this point. No, it shows the market is about to fall. So you take your sell from this point, and your stop loss around this point. Your take profit, let's say, around this point. So anytime the market is going to your direction, you bring in your stop loss towards your entry area. As it's going, you're shifting it. As it is going, you'll be shifting it till it hits your TP. So simple. I'll continue to do more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share. Have a nice day.